So this table is just representing a relationship between numbers, so x and y. Usually we take the value for x and do something to get the value of y. I always check to see if I could just add or subtract something, the same thing over and over. The relationship has to be the same if it is a function. So I look at 0, and to get -5, it could be a multiplication, it could be adding, it could be subtracting, but I know that 0 minus 5 would give me -5, so I'm going to check to see if the same thing works for the second number 1. So 1 minus 5 would give me -4, 2 minus 5 would give me -3, so it looks like we're subtracting 5 each time as we go. 5, and that's easy to check. 5 minus 5 is 0, 6 minus 5 is 1. All right, so the reason that I did that, it asks, which of the choices demonstrates the relationship in this table. So if I look at option A, 10 minus 5 is not -40, so we can automatically just go ahead and cross that one off. The second option says that we take the value for x, divide it by 2, and subtract 5. So if we do 0 divided by 2 would be 0 minus 5 does give me -5, so that works, but it has to work for each choice. So let's just choose 6, for example. 6 divided by 2 is 3, minus 5 would give me -2, so y equals -2, so that does not work. All right, y is equivalent to the difference between the value of x and a constant c, where c equals 5. So remember, difference means to subtract. So it says the difference of x and 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 5 is 0, and that's what we just already determined in the very beginning. So C looks like the correct answer choice. Let's just double check D. So this is a graph where they have x plotted against y. So for the first one, the value of x here is -20, and the value of y is -15 for this point here. That is not even an option in this table. So we can confidently say that C is the correct choice.